welcome back guys to my channel. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos and learning something new from my channel. So in this video, this will be like a short video, but I wanted to kind of document how to replace e-scooter GoTrax G4. So this is my GoTrax G4 scooter. I'm going to show you how to replace like a little brake pad. I mean, I have not replaced it. This will be my first time. But a few days ago I was like, kind of researching how to do it. But the way the guy was explaining, I don't know if it's required, because the video I was watching, the guy was kind of saying, you have to remove the screw, you have to release this brake and this. I don't think you have to do all the stuff, because I was just looking. I don't even, to be honest, I don't even have the new pad right now. I just wanted to open it just to look at it to see how easy or hard it's to access it. I also wanted to kind of see my pad before I order the new ones, right? I just wanted to look at it because this is the OEM brake pad. I have not done any repairs yet. I mean, I have repaired the brake on my car tires, so which I'm kind of comfortable now repairing on this. I was just looking at it. It is so easy, like a piece of cake. I think any teenager or any anyone youngster can do it easily. I mean, I'm not old either, but I'm just saying, like, anybody who knows how to use literally this bit can do it easy peasy. So I'm going to show you the easiest way I found. Now the very first thing is to kind of look at it. Now pay attention right here. That's your brake pad. I hope you can see my point. Look at it. I hope you can see the distance between. I mean, I guess let's go back. This is your rotor, guys. What the rotor is, to kind of give you a simple language, this is the wheel that basically is spinning, and the brake pad basically hold this thing, from both sides. It presses hard. The harder you press the brakes, the harder it holds this, rotor. Similar to car. In the car, the rotor looks like this. Let me kind of move here. This is your car rotors. The pad touches here, and the other side, it kind of holds this thing down. And in the scooter, this is your brake rotors. So that's why they have these holes. So basically, it stays cool. Not that it's going to be hot so much, but it's good to have holes basically. But look right here, if you kind of point right here. So this is your rotor, but look at that little distance, like this side in there and this side. These are your brake pad. So I'm going to basically show you step by step. It's super easy. I mean, this is the bit you need. This little one, I can maybe tell you the number. It's this 5/32. That's your brake. Maybe it's a number or something too. No, that's it. That's the only number I see. So that's the bit you need, 5/32. And I'm just going to use my drill machine and I'll show you. So all you have to do is, guys, remove these two screws. One this puppy and one this one. That's it. No rocket science. And I'll show you. You don't have to remove this line of brake line, then tighten it up and loose it up. You don't have to do any of that. So let's see. So there you go. See, I already loosed it. That's why it's easy. And remove this. Voila. That's it. It is that simple. Now you remove these two screws. There you go. That's how these two screws looks like. Now look at that. This whole thing pops right out. Don't remove this cable. Don't make your life harder. Now I'm going to show you how basically you remove the brake pad. Now these are your brake pad. You see these little red things? Now these are your brake pad. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. Yeah, now you can hold the phone. Okay, so all you need is like a little nose plier, guys. Now keep in mind there's a magnet on this side, magnet on this side. They basically stick to the magnet. So all I'm going to do is kind of push this from the back side because it's stuck with the magnet. Now let's see. There you go. You just kind of pushed it in and pull this puppy out. Look at that. And this tiny thing is your freaking brake pad. Do the same this side. Look at that. It's going out, but you look. Now watch how the magnet is keep pulling it. Look at that. I pull it out and then see. It goes right back because it's the magnetic. There's a magnet behind it. So I'm going to hold with my plier. Look at that. So these are your OEM brake pad. This is it. Look at that. These tiny brake pads. So you can clearly see you have enough life left. I mean, these are again OEM. I have been using this scooter for like, I don't know, 1 year, but I also don't use a lot. It's just sitting around, I only ride once in a while. So I don't know how big the new ones are, but I can clearly see I have a life left. Now when this black part will be gone completely and you are hitting the metal, then you have to worry about it. You have to replace it. So I'm going to put these back They're not bad at all. I don't know the size of these. Let me get a measuring tape. Okay. I guess there you go, guys. Let's see. Okay, they are like exactly 3/4. I hope I can measure it well. Let's see. Yeah, they're exactly like 3/4. Yep, there you go. Yep, they're exactly 3/4. So yeah, that's the dimensions, guys. It's a simple brake pad. Now to put it back, easy peasy, I'm just going to use my hand. Simple, I'm going to just put it back in. Look at that. It just went inside by itself. I don't have to do anything. Let me just kind of push it a little bit. Or straight. Oh. There you go. I think that's how it goes. No, I think it's not sitting all the way. Let's go this way, I guess. There you go. That looks better. Yep. Needs to go more back. Looks like it's not sitting in place. There you go. Now you can see when this kind of sits down, it goes straight in the back, and you can see clearance here. Look at that, how I can put my screwdriver here. It's all the way back and like in a nice spot. Now this one, I'm going to put it this way. Look at that. Now I'm going to also maybe, I guess, push the brakes. Now when your brakes are pushed, it will be pushing the brakes brake pad like this. Now watch. Now watch. See? I hope you can see it. It basically pushing it. Yep. So basically, guys, when you're ready to, once you're done with this thing, you can clearly see both the pad in there. You want to make sure this little red piece or little latch or whatever kind of in these holes or whatever, and all you do is like spin this puppy, go straight on the caliper, not the caliper, I should say rotors. Now the only thing you have to kind of watch here, yeah, I'm good. The only thing you have to watch here, now look at this screw. This screw is more like, open, and you have like flexibility. You can go either this side or you can go this side, right? You have flexibility. Now you want to make sure when you put this brake caliper, you want to go exactly in the middle. Now, so you don't want to go this way. Now watch here. Now you hope you can see it, because right now I can see the brake pad is basically touching there. You also don't want to go this way, if that makes sense, because you can see the gap like this side. You want to go exactly in the middle like this. Let's see. Right there. Look at that. I hope you can see what I'm trying to say. There you go. You want to go right there, basically in the middle, so that way one of the pad is not like staying next to the rotor, because what will happen as you're riding, it will kind of start like chewing up the pad as even you are not even pressing the brake. So as it doesn't have to be perfect, but try to basically go as middle as possible, so there is nothing touching to the rotor, and you're only touching when you're pressing the brakes, if that makes sense. It basically, you're giving a longer lifespan to your brake pad, and it's gonna last longer. So again, it's a very easy peasy process. All I'm gonna do is, look, just put these screws back in. And once again, I'm not gonna do right now, because I'm holding my phone. But basically, I'm gonna hold this in exactly middle, perfect spot. Same on the back side, and just tight the screws. I don't know exactly what's the torque specified is, but enough where it's tight enough, but don't overkill it. But yeah, that's it, guys. I'm sure the process I showed you is similar on other GoTrax model, maybe similar to other scooters as well. I don't know. That's all I got, guys. I don't have experience with other e-scooters, so this is all I got. But I love the scooters, I love it. But anyway, I hope you kind of learned this kind of little tips or tricks I shared. But yeah, my plan is to keep looking online. If I see some pad on sale, I'm gonna buy it, but I'm not going to replace it right now because I have enough life left. So yeah, I would say but yeah, if you guys think you learned something new from my channel or from this video, I would appreciate if you can subscribe my channel to help support so it can help motivate my channel, so I can come up with newer ideas like videos like this. But anyway guys, keep watching. Thank you for watching my videos. Stay tuned. Peace out. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.